What are you doing, Deke? Go get that ball. Come on. Oh, I guess she likes the grass. Come on. No. Let's go. Come here. Where's the pretty boy? Where's the pretty boy? Where's the pretty boy? Where's the pretty boy? Sorry that I got to keep moving the camera. It's hard to do this by yourself. What's that? Hey, come on. Hey, Deacon. Deeks, come on. He likes to play ball. I should go get the ball. The girls hate him. Even Bella snarled. He's nice and calm, I will say that. I mean, he's a nice puppy to live with. He's not crazy. He just looks taller than longer to me. Deacon. Where's Deke? Hey. Where's the puppy? Where's the puppy? Where's that puppy? Oh, gotta go get him.